Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys every interactive thing on the Dress to Impress update on like the free play server. So obviously now we have these chairs here that you can kind of like sit on them. The slide isn't that interactive. You can't really like sit on them. The pool floaties are, as you can see. I wish they had better lighting though on them. The bathrooms are now interactive like this, as you can see. I don't know why they would make it like that, but it's pretty cool. Obviously, the big elephant in the room, sorry, why did I even say big? Elephant is already big. Is this house, as you can see, there's this chair in the library. The fireplace is interactive. I don't know why they have not removed the like blocks. Maybe it will still be there, I'm not sure. And you'll have different like poses depending on like where you sit on the sofa as well here. So that's the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. Oh my gosh, they have pictures of like dogs and cats. That's so cute. Okay, and then the like stove is interactive. That's pretty cool. The chairs here are also interactive. It feels more like a role play game now, kind of, well, in the free play mode. Then here you'll be able to see the first room where you can sleep. Oh my god, I can actually hear her snoring. What? Okay, that's crazy. That's insane. And then here you can sit down and play on your laptop like you're playing Dress to Impress. I don't know. Another chair here, kind of weird position. Another room. There's like a bunk bed. Oh my god. Let's not. Can we go up here? Yeah, we can. Why is it so weird? Like, hello? Oh my god. Can I escape this? Okay, yes, I can. In a like really weird way. Dress to Impress, please fix that. And then, what do we have here? Like a bathroom. The sink is interactive as well. The, again, toilet is interactive. The shower isn't interactive. Oh, actually, it is. Never mind. You just have to find like the place where it is interactive, like you can see the E. And I think that's basically it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.